What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with super important airdrop claim dates here. I told you guys I was going to keep you guys updated, not just on how to qualify for these airdrops, but when to claim them, because a lot of them, as you can see right here, are time sensitive. So this one is at the moment 18 days that you have for claiming this. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to claim it and how to find to see if you're qualified for them in a super easy way. Okay, very simple. All the official links will be in the description and pinned comment below. Okay, don't click on any link besides my description or my pinned comment, because they are the only official ones. Now, Dymension DYM, this is the airdrop here. I'm going to tell you how to know if you're qualified and how much and how to claim them. Okay, so right here in the official website, which this is their official website here, this is what they should say at the top. Okay, I'll leave it in the description below. I'm going to show you how to automatically see how many addresses you're able to claim, right? But here on the website, it tells you here the eligibility criteria. So the biggest one was Celestia. If you staked just one Celestia TIA coin before December 19, 2023, okay, you're going to get a good amount. Okay, because that was my biggest part with Celestia TIA. The next one is Ethereum. If you had an active address on Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and Blast based on various metrics including amounts bridged and activity on rollup, you're also eligible. Next one, Cosmos. Okay, Cosmos. If you staked at least one coin of Cosmos before December 19th, you're eligible. Also stake Cosmos and Osmosis if you stake at least 10 Osmosis. So if you guys been following me, I've been telling you guys to, take a little bit of what you guys have earned, right, from profits from the last months, and put it towards Cosmos, towards Celestia, towards Osmosis, and stake it with the right delegators, right, in the top of 20, not a centralized ones, and you're gonna be set. Okay, you're gonna be set for a lot of these airdrops, including this one, as you can see. The next one is Solana. Active address as of December 19th, compiled of various protocols including Wormhole, Tensor, which I made a video on, and Drip. Okay, and then the last one here is on these NFTs: Pudgy Penguins, Bat Kids, Mad Lips, and Tensorians. If you guys were staking or holding these, you should also be eligible here. Now, that's know if you're eligible. Now, if you want to check like automatically, Leap Wallet, okay, which is this basically wallet that lets you connect your Kepler wallet, and it tells you automatically which wallets you're eligible for, not just this airdrop for DYM, but other airdrops. And I definitely recommend it. The official link will be in the description below. But Leap Wallet, definitely check it out. All you do is you connect your wallet. They're also, they're one of the biggest wallets out there, so they're safe and all that. And then it tells you, they have a feature where it tells you if you're eligible for many airdrops, and it told me for this one specifically. So the way that you claim and you check to see if you're eligible, it's very simple. All you do is you click right here. These are all the chains. So what you do is Cosmos. You click on Cosmos. Next thing, you want to get your Cosmos address, and you do that by going either on Kepler or wherever your Cosmos wallet is. I use Kepler. Maybe use Cosmos Station or some other wallet. You go on there, get your Cosmos wallet, and then paste it right there. And then you click check, and then it will tell you. Now, I'm going to do one step by step to show you guys here. But that's a way. Then you do Celestia, and then you do the same thing. You put Celestia wallet, click check, and then you're set. Now, I still haven't done my Osmosis one, so I'm going to do Osmosis. Paste it right there, then click on check. And then boom, it will tell you if you're eligible. It should say that. Congratulations. Next step, what you want to do is you actually want to connect your wallet. So right here, you can actually connect your wallet, and it actually gives you the two options: Kepler or Leap Wallet. I personally use Kepler, but if you have Leap, you can use that. Here, you're gonna scroll down, and you're just gonna click accept. You can read that if you want. And then the next step is super important. So please pay attention to this, because you need to do this right. Basically, what it's telling you right here is it's saying that Dymension addresses are Ethereum compatible. You can either paste your address manually or click on the connect wallet button to have your Dymension address added automatically from your chosen wallet. So basically, you have to paste your Ethereum address. Okay, guys, not Cosmos, not Celestia, Ethereum. Okay, so whichever Ethereum address that you have on MetaMask. So this could be one where it's connected to your ledger or your Trezor. It has to be Ethereum. Again, not a centralized Ethereum address. Okay, it has to be a cold storage or on the MetaMask or some other wallet. Get that Ethereum address. That's where you're gonna basically receive your airdrop once it comes out in mainnet. Then you paste that Ethereum wallet right there, or you connect your MetaMask, which actually I'm gonna do that right now. And then boom, there, right there, it tells you how much you received for that wallet, and it tells you right there on top which wallet you're gonna receive it under. So it's really that simple, guys. Then you click on claim more addresses. So you want to check more addresses or claim more addresses. You just go right here and you're gonna check out the other ones. But that's really it, guys. That's how you claim this DYM, and I'll let you guys and update you guys once it actually does come out. Probably in 18 days it should airdrop to your Ethereum address. But again, if you guys want to be up to date, join the Patreon below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll keep you guys up to date on more claims and all that, and new airdrops as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.